Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to be a volleyball manager. Let's get right into it. Already. My name is Coach KoKo and I love volleyball. So much so my channel is completely dedicated to volleyball tips, tricks, hacks, funny stuff, all of that. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification so you get notified every single time I upload. So a lot of you guys said that you tried out for your team and unfortunately you didn't make it this time. That's okay. That's okay. But you were placed as a volleyball manager, and that is still such an important role. So the volleyball manager is somebody who really knows terminology well, knows the game well, can know how to do statistics like the scorebook, the libero tracker, stuff like that, and they really help regulate practice. So sometimes you'll see the volleyball manager giving the coach the ball when the coach is doing down balls, or just really helping assist the coach around practice. So if I were you, the one thing that I would do if I were placed as a volleyball manager is really take the opportunity to learn how practice flows, build a relationship with the team and the coach, kind of learn what you need to do to apply next year in tryouts, and really watch and understand the game, because you're literally getting a pre-test before the test. You're given the test to study before the test. What are you gonna do with that? You need to use that to your best advantage, which means that you need to be studying. Don't go, oh, I'm the manager, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna half it, and I'm not even gonna really do anything. This is just great for my college applications. While it is, make sure you're really taking it seriously, because if you really have hopes of playing volleyball, a lot of managers have translated over and played. So you also may want to think about, if you know nothing in volleyball, I still suggest you try out, because you never know how fantastic you are, but you could try for the manager. Learn what you need to learn about the game, learn rotation, the practice type, learn about the players, think about what position you want to be, and then go on and become the greatest volleyball player ever. So the volleyball manager is still such an integral part to the team, and don't let anybody ever tell you or make you think it's not. So on the phone with me, I have my old volleyball manager back when I was in high school, and I'm gonna ask her experience playing volleyball and her experience as a volleyball manager. So hey girl.
Hi.
So tell me your experience about being a volleyball manager.
I got hit with a lot of balls. I remember you hit me with a ball, and I remember Heather hit me with a ball. And one of y'all, I fell on the floor and blinked out a little bit.
Oh my God.
Hard hitter.
Oh my God. Don't hit your volleyball manager with the ball, y'all. Control yourself. What are some of the things that you had to do as a volleyball manager?
I remember I had to keep score for y'all. I had to pick up the balls to put it back in the little basket thing that y'all had, and so that y'all could keep serving back and forth to each other during practice. Or I used to clean up. I used to have to go to the games with y'all. Somebody would fill, because we had multiple ones, so somebody would fill the water bottles. I never did that.
We had like 2 other volleyball managers, right? So there was more than one.
Yeah, there was Carmen and
yes, that's right. Okay.
Jacqueline.
That's right. That's right. Oh, do you think that being a volleyball manager helped you learn the game a little bit?
I learned the game a lot. I knew volleyball before, but I didn't know it in depth the way that I learned when I played with y'all. Like, I learned techniques, and I learned that you're like squatting and hitting the ball right. Sometimes I would have to help y'all practice, because y'all would be uneven some days.
Yeah.
I would like have to hit the ball, and they were like, no, hit the ball this way. Use your legs, or something like that. So I actually know volleyball now, so sometimes I even play it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I wish it would keep me in shape. I wish I kept going, but I did not.
You can still keep going. We live in the same city now.
Yeah, no.
But thank you guys, so appreciate you coming on and talking a little bit about being a volleyball manager, what you learned, how you learned it, how it translated for you. Do you have any advice to any people out there who want to be a volleyball manager or how to become one?
It just all depends. Just go out and ask the coach. Most of the time, nobody wants to be a manager, or they don't know that they can be a manager, just a manager. So just go out and ask. It's really not that hard. All you got to do is pick up balls and fill up water bottles and go to the game. And, you know, score. I don't remember how to score exactly. There's a point and there's fouls. But I did basketball too, so now they're overlapping. So
well, thank you, girl. So, I hope that you liked this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.